Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. It's been a while since I last posted a resin tutorial, so I'm really excited about this one. In today's video, we'll be making some beautiful pastel alphabet keychains, so grab your material, stay tuned, and let's get into it. Baby, you're the one I adore. Crave the taste of your lips. After mixing your clear batch of resin, you want to divide it into smaller cups based on the number of glitters you'll be working with. Here, you don't have to mix a large quantity of resin, since using a smaller amount helps keep the consistency very thick rather than runny. This way, you can add your glitters and they will stay exactly where you want them to stay instead of spreading everywhere.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean.
So for outlining, I'm working with gold leaf sheets, flakes or foil flakes. This gives the glitter a pop effect, blends the colors beautifully, and really elevates the design. Once that's done, you can transfer the glitter portions into the mold. Feel free to work with your own patterns, okay? You don't have to stick to mine. Let's just be playful with it and everything will come together beautifully in the end.
Every touch leaves me craving more. Eyes meet, worlds colors collide with you. Love's where I reside. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean.
So after the first layer has thickened enough, we'll move on to the next layer. Today I'm working with highly concentrated resin pigments, paste pigments. These pigments are very rich, so a little goes a long way. They give beautiful solid pastel and macaron effects, and they are definitely great value for money. Once mixed, you're going to pour the colored resin directly into the molds over the first layer and leave everything to cure perfectly.
The rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. It's never hit like this before. Baby, you're the one I adore. Crave the taste of your lips. Your skin and down my fingertips. Now I'm wide awake while you saturate every part of my brain. You know we both know where the story goes. Just the words can't say. Anticipating you. Hands all down my body. I just can't refuse the way your touch ignites me. So electrifying. No secret, no denying. These nights nights would come along, and days wouldn't come along. Anticipating.
So I lost the clip where I demolded the keychains, but this is how they look after demolding. Because these round edge alphabet molds are reversed, you need to flip the letters and dome the surface with a clear batch of resin. This gives you a perfectly rounded glossy finish on both sides. So with patience, you gently guide the resin where it needs to go and leave it to cure completely. Now they are all cured and perfectly glossy. So since I worked with gold leaf sheets, I paired the keychains with gold key rings. These come with eye screws already attached, which makes the process much easier. So all I need to do now is to drill the pieces, insert the eye screws, and they are ready. So for embellishments, I'm using these beautiful colored faux pom-poms, right? These come with nylon cords and no attached key rings, which helps prevent rusting over time. I'm going to attach these pom-poms to the key rings after they have been attached to the resin pieces, and now our pastel alphabet keychains are complete. I'm so much in love with how these pieces turned out. The colors are so lovely. I'm going to be giving these out to some friends and family as gifts, and I really hope you were able to make or recreate these pieces in your own beautiful way. Thank you so much for watching. If you're already subscribed, thank you. You are truly appreciated. You are special. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below. All the items used in today's tutorial will be listed in the description box, and everything used is available from O-Celle's Crafts. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Enjoy the rest of your day. Happy crafting and a happy new year. Bye!